Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA continues to go down a little bit. Also, ADA is following the other cryptocurrencies today. With more downside, movements. But you know, it's still holding in the range. It's still holding in the range. But obviously, we talked about it already in the last few days that possibly this wave 4 completed there as an Elliott wave triangle. This was here the case on the 7th of June on Friday. This E wave of a wave 4. This could be an Elliott wave triangle completion. And if that's the case, the fifth wave should send us down into the area between 38 and 36 cents. It should certainly take us into the area below the 13th of April low, especially given that we've retraced so much of this rally that happened between the 13th of April and the 22nd, 23rd of April. Yeah, so we have a rally here, but most of it retraced again. And whenever that's the case, it is cleaner and better from the chart for the chart actually to just make another low and then start again. Because at least then, if we form another low, the price has a chance to create another impulse in 5 waves, which would be bullish. Yeah, an impulse, non-overlapping, not an overlapping structure, just a clean impulse in 5 waves that we can call a wave 1, then an ABC down in wave 2, and then we can go from there. The problem is with this structure, I mean, if it now turns to the upside, I would again have to explore this as a diagonal wave 1 in an ABC structure. That's always questionable. Then this would be some kind of a very weird complex correction in a wave 2. And then, but then I can't confirm that a low is in because I have no 5 waves. So I would have to wait until the market forms. Wave 1, 2, okay, done. 3rd wave, 4th wave, 5th wave. So I have to wait all of these waves until I can confirm that a low is in, because everything else is corrective, in a corrective structure. Again, that maybe that goes too far now. I don't want to, unpack the basics of Elliott wave now, or even the more advanced stuff. But it would be best to just form another low now, the way the chart looks like. And likelihood is the market might not make it that easy, but it would be best for the chart now to come down into that area there. And but yeah, the purpose of this chart is to give you the relevant range boundary lines, and the lower boundary, even though we broke briefly below it, it hasn't broken. Okay, it hasn't broken, and this is the 41.9 cent level. This is the swing low from the 1st of May. That would really need to break to really clearly say that we have started to work on wave 5. I mean, I'm assuming it now, but we all know that the market likes to turn at extremes, and there is one of these extremes here, the lower boundary of a trend. It's not a channel, of a sideways range, and I can tell you that this idea of an Elliott wave triangle, which might have topped here on the 7th of June, well, it will be invalidated if the price breaks above exactly that high. Because if the price breaks now above the E wave high of the triangle, then this is definitely confirmation that wave 5 to the downside hasn't started yet. So that level needs to be broken by the bulls for a very, very early indication that some kind of a low has formed. And then, for a more substantial low confirmation, we need a break above the 23rd of April high, which is here at 52.2 cents. And then we can take it from there. Until, however, we stay below the Friday high at 49 cents. I think the downside pressure is quite high. And the next levels to the downside to watch are 36 to 38, which means if the market offers a deeper pullback, this is another area of interest where the market could turn around. Below 36 cents, the only other reliable support level I have left on this chart is at 29 cents. So basically what it means is there is currently no confirmation or indication at all that this wave 2 correction has bottomed, which would be the case as per the orange scenario in a WXY pattern. Technically possible, questionable, because the move down would only be a WXY and the market here hasn't done anything. It actually starts to, roll over again after it's been moving for basically a couple of months in this sideways range. So again, we have to have patience. I think it's just important at the moment to watch for the market signals, understand when the market gives us a signal that it's breaking up or down, and what the implications would be. What are the next support or resistance levels? First of all, to the downside, 36 to 38 cents, and the main overhead level to watch is 49 cents for now. Until one of those, until we make a more significant move either to the downside below that intraday low towards 36 to 38 cents, or break out to the upside, there isn't really anything else that's noteworthy here. But still overall in a bullish structure, but only as long as we're holding 29 cents. So still a bullish thesis I'm following here, but no indication that a low has formed yet. So still consider that further downside is very likely. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.